Hi, Yuvraj.
Yeah, hello Dhananjay. Not yet joined.
Need to
You?
check with other people's actually. So can you ping in group actually if it is possible?
Yeah, yeah. 2 minutes. Hello.
Yeah, we need to wait for 2 minutes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm audible now.
I am audible, sir.
Yeah, we need to wait for 2 minutes for other people.
Yeah, yeah, okay. In how many days we can cover full stack?
Mm, Minimum we need to take around 3 months. It's a must needed, and maximum depends on your capability we can say, because the learn you need to focus on the particular learning, and every day you need to focus on around 6 to 7 hours to just practice and fundamental thing, and moreover you have to focus on the project, like dummy projects. Okay, so then you will get some
Mm-hmm.
ideas from the full stack thing, otherwise you can't. Okay, so before that thing you need to do some fundamental things. Okay, after fundamental things you will get some knowledge actually. Okay, so that's the main thing actually.
Okay.
Yeah, so sorry guys, yesterday I was forget to regarding that timing. Okay, so yesterday we have learned regarding that data types and operators. Okay, so basically data types in the, like we can say, like primitive data types and reference data types. And in the primitive data type we can say it's a byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. Okay, and reference data type we can say it's a string and arrays and objects. Okay, and in operator, like in the in the operators we can like we have learned around 5 to 6 types. One it's assignment, second one it's a comparison, and third one it's a logical, and for logical and assignment and unary and ternary. Okay, so before that we need to do some problems, just basic problems on the data types. Okay, so before that I will ask one questions. Okay, regarding that data types. Okay, so can anyone tell me the how many data types in the, like in the Java basically?
8 types.
Two types. Okay, what about Kaustubh?
Two types. Two types.
Okay, can anyone try to explain those two types?
Primitive and non.
A non-primitive data type. Okay. Yeah. Go for it.
Primitive data type stores the value like numbers or single characters. In primitive data type, we have
Mm-hmm.
a char and boolean. Byte size is 8. One byte is equal to 8 bits.
Mm-hmm.
So short is 16 bits.
Mm-hmm.
And int 32 bits, long 64 bits, float 32 bits,
Mm-hmm.
and double 64, char 16. Boolean is one, like it says a true or false.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And after that, non-primitive type, it has a string, arrays, and objects.
Mm-hmm.
String consider like a string name, and arrays like integers, number values,
Mm-hmm.
and objects means object like a car, bike,
Mm-hmm.
that type of characters.
Okay. Okay. It's a good thing. Okay. So now I will I will type one number actually. You guys are just need to tell like which type of data like which data type is basically okay. The first thing I will write the first number. It's a 5.5. Can anyone which data type? The 5.5.
Primitive.
In the primitive we have the 8 types of the data type. Okay, in that though in those data types you have to just check.
It's float. Am I right?
Float, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What about Kaustubh, Priyanka, and Yuvraj? I'm asking, are you sure? Okay.
Double.
Float or double? Yeah. Float or double?
I need
Both.
I need any one answer actually. Either float
Float, sir.
or double. Yuvraj,
Float.
Priyanka, Preetham.
Float on this, I'm sure.
Yuvraj.
Float, sir.
Okay, Priyanka.
Sir, float. It's float.
Okay, Kaustubh, it's float only now.
Sir, double, I think.
How?
There,
Mm-hmm.
after 5.5, we have to put F, na?
Okay.
Then only it will be float.
Okay, like your answer is double. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the basically 1 minute. Okay, the basically the data type is the double, we can say. Okay, because of because of the Java treats all the floating point literals has a double by default. If it is float, then you need to add one thing in the end of that decimal number. It's a f. If it is f, then you can say it's a float. Now this is a double only. Okay. And next thing, last one more question. Okay, so we int a equal to 100. Okay, so before that I need to ask one question to everyone. So what is the variable? Can anyone?
Variable is a named memory location which stores some value or data, and it can change a number of times.
Okay, so there is one more question. Can we store multiple values?
Yes, sir.
How? Now we are using this int. Okay, it's a primitive data type. So can we use here multiple numbers, multiple numbers in the sense like 1 comma 2 comma 3 like that. Like I will add that a equal to 1 2 3 4 like this. Can we use?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so after int, okay, so I am converting, okay, this int to byte. Okay, byte b equal to byte of a. Can anyone guess the output for b? I will add that system dot out dot println b. Can anyone try to guess the output? What will be the output for of the following code, we can say? Can anyone try?
100.
Others? Others, Yuvraj, Kaustubh and Preetham. I'm audible, no?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, try
Yes,
to
yes.
guess the output actually. Yeah.
I'm getting error, sir.
And not like, basically you have to guess the output, not the code.
Error only, sir.
How? Basically you will get the output.
1 second, let me see 1 second.
The basically you like the output will be the 100 only. Okay, the value of a is the cast into the byte. Okay, so basically we can say it's a casting to the byte, since the 100 is within the range of byte, that minus 128 to 127. So for that thing we can say it's output is 100. Okay, and third thing, I will give one more question. Which question I had? Okay, so there is a one topic. Which yesterday I have explained about third. Okay, third here int okay, int a equal to 2. So if a plus plus, can anyone explain the output for this thing?
3, sir. 3.
What about Priyanka, Yuvraj and Preetham?
So it's 3.
Okay. Yeah. So
Yes, sir. 3.
Okay, so I will add one more question regarding the boolean. Okay, so I'm damn sure you okay. You will guess the wrong answer only for that question. Okay, there is a data type called double. Mhm. There is a name variable name is a is equal to 0.1 plus 0.2, and don't try in the Google actually. First of all, okay, just analyze the code, try to guess the output actually. Okay, if it is wrong, okay, not a problem, just understand the concept actually. Okay, system dot out dot print ln, suppose a equal to point 0.3. Can anyone try to explain for this problem?
It's true, sir.
What about other people's?
True, sir.
Okay, what about Yuvraj and Priyanka?
Yes,
Sir,
true,
it's
sir.
true.
Okay, I said actually damn sure your answer is wrong. Can you try in your like in laptop for this problem? Fourth one. Yuvraj, Preetham, Kaustubh, Priyanka.
Trying.
Double a equal to 0.1 plus 0.2 system dot out dot println a equal to zero point 0.3.
Yes, sir.
Error. You guys are getting error. What about Yuvraj, Kaustubh and Preetham?
All, sir.
False. Can you try once, Priyanka? Is it error or you can add that?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. These are the logical things you need to understand. Okay. Yuvraj, what about your output?
Sir, recommend.
Sir, I'm getting false.
Okay.
I don't know how.
Yeah, the basically uh, the floating point numbers that suffers from that precision issues. Okay, it will get like 0.300004 something like that actually. Okay, and for that thing the result it the value the slightly greater than 0.3. Okay, What about Yuvraj?
Error, sir.
Okay. I will show you the thing here. Inspect. Okay, console. Not here. I will try to sound an IDE. Okay, IDE. Here I will try that 0.1 plus 0.3. Okay. It's loading. Sorry, 0.2 to add. It's a precision. Okay, see the output actually here. The output is the value slightly greater than the 0.3. So for that reason, so the output will be the false. Okay, the next thing regarding the modulus operator. Okay, I will add that question here. System dot out dot print ln 10 divided by 3. What will be the output for this? Just guess actually, don't code. Anyone try to guess the output for this thing? Am I audible, no?
Yes.
Yeah, try to guess the output. Just you can see that like that operator in the sense this one, the modulus operator we can say. So what will be the output for this console? What about Yuvraj, Priyanka, Kaustubh and Pritam? Any idea?
No, sir.
1.
Okay, how?
10 divided by 3 remainder 1 is.
Okay. So basically the first will like it will return the remainder only.
A remainder.
Okay, remainder is the 1. Okay, suppose if it is if it is minus 10, so can you guess the output?
-1.
And if it is the minus 3, then
1.
how?
Minus plus.
Okay. I will add one more last one actually. Try to guess the output for this. The system dot out dot print ln. Okay, I can say it's a hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And 5 plus 10. 10. Can you guys try to guess the
Hello 15.
Are you sure?
Hello, 5110. 510.
What about Yuvraj and Preetham?
Hello 15, sir.
Okay, how?
Hello 10. 105.
How? I need a reason also. Okay.
Hello 105.
Hello?
105.
No, actually. What about Yuvraj?
Hello 510.
How? Can you explain how?
Hello is a string and
Mm-hmm.
concatenation operator
Mm-hmm.
of 5 plus 10.
Mm-hmm.
So Java converts 5 to a string and after that concatenate it,
Mm-hmm.
resulting to hello 5.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So after that we add 10.
Mm-hmm.
The string hello 5 becomes means Java converts that 10 to a string and it will concatenate.
Mm-hmm.
So result will be hello. So I think
Result will be like your voice is breaking. So
hello 5
50.
510.
hello.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, the Java starts from the left to right. Left in the sense from the hello. Okay. First of all, left to right in the sense first these two will be concatenated. Like these two become the 1 minute. Okay. These two become okay like hello space 5. Okay. And next thing so next thing it will become like hello 510. Okay, just you can just take a one thing, it's a Java start from the left to right. Okay. And what one more thing is there uh, okay, it's the same thing. I will ask one more thing, last one. Okay. uh, so now you can now you guys okay try to guess the output for this.
Hello 15.
What about others?
Hello
Hello
15.
15.
Okay, can you anybody try to explain why hello 15?
First hello is a string. Then after left to right means concatenation operator 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So output will be hello 15.
Okay, yeah, it's a good thing. Okay, so now we need to yesterday okay, yesterday assignment operators and unary operators. So I need to explain about that comparison. Okay, 1 minute. So yesterday we learned about that arithmetic operator. In the arithmetic operator, we saw that addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division and modulus. Okay, in the comparison, so we have seen that equal to like equal to and not equal to and greater than and less than and greater than equal to and less than equal to. Okay, so from the logical operator we need to explain, is it right? Because yesterday I forgot to see that timing also, the automatical that meeting it's ended. For that reason I'm asking for you guys, is it right to start from logical operator?
Yes, sir.
Sure, huh?
Logical over, sir.
Okay, logical over. And what about assignment operator?
Assignment also started.
Started, okay. Mm-hmm. So we'll start from the assignment operator. Okay, so today assignment operator. Okay, the basically the assignment operator used for the assign the value to the variable. Okay, for the like we have the things the equal to and add assign and subtract assign and multiple assign. Okay, I will write those things here. First one, it's equal to, equal. Okay, equal in the sense that this symbol. Okay, so for this thing we can add example like int x equal to 5. Okay, basically here assign the value of 5 to the variable x. Okay, and yeah, and next thing it's a add and assign, add and assign. Okay, it means there is a plus and equal to, add and assign. The plus is the add and equal to it's a assign. Okay, basically here the adds the value to the variable and the assign the result back to the variable. For example, I will add I will write that suppose x x equal to x plus 3. Okay, so the same thing we can write like this also, like x plus equal to 3. So this is, we can say, add and assign. So normal we can write this. Okay, but like the equivalent to x equal to x plus 3 only. Okay, so here this one it's done. Okay, and next thing subtract and assign. Okay, subtract and assign in the sense subtract and assign. Mhm. And assign. Subtract and assign in the sense the subtract the value from the variable and assign the result back. The same thing, just we need to change the sign from the add to subtract. Add to subtract. Okay, it's a equivalent of the x equal to x minus 3. Okay, and third thing, same as the multiple like multiply and assign, and same as the divide and assign. Same as the, this is the same as the multiply equal to 3, and same thing for x, the divide and equal to 3. Okay, this is for divide and this is for multiply. Okay, the next thing we can go to the unary operator. Okay, unary operator. Okay, unary operator. Okay, like basically the unary operator operate the single variable. Okay, now these are the two things we can say, there is incremental and decremental. Okay, the incremental in the sense the increase the value of the variable by 1, We'll write those things here. The increment in the sense like plus, okay, it's a increment the value of variable by 1. Okay, for example, suppose we have the int x equal to 5. Okay, if int x equal to 5, if like suppose if we want to increase the number of x, so then you need to add that incremental okay, then the x will be the 6. Okay, the same thing for the decremental. Okay, the decremental in the sense to decrease the value of the variable by 1. Okay, so here x, the int x equal to 5. Okay, if int x equal to 5, if you want to decrement, so then your x will be the 4. So these are the two things we can see in the unary operator. The unary operator basically operate on the single variable. Okay, it's a very important thing actually. And next thing, ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator. Okay, ternary operators. So ternary operator basically we can say like it's a shortcut for the if else condition. So we'll learn the if else condition in the upcoming classes, but like this is also main important for the for the operator purpose. So for that reason I am explaining the thing. Okay, the ternary operator is the shortcut for if else statement. Okay, basically it allows you to write the simple condition check in one line. Okay, so you can see that if else condition you can write up to the 3 or 4 line, but using the ternary operator you can do in one line only. Okay, so for that thing I will take an example. Suppose int age equal to 20. Okay, int age equal to 20, we need to do the thing like if the age is greater than 18 we need to set as the adult. If the age is less than 18 we can set to the minor. Okay, suppose if we want to use the normal if else condition, we can use the if. Okay, the age, if the age is greater than 18, if the age is greater than 18, then here we need to system dot out dot print ln, we can add that adult. Okay, and we have to complete that condition if. Okay, suppose if the age is not a less not a greater than not a less than 18, sorry, age is greater than 18 we can set as a adult. If age is less than 18 we need to set as the minor. Okay, so by default we can add the condition add the condition in the else. We can say it as the system dot out dot println minor. Okay, this is the one condition like a statement we can say if else statement. Okay, if age greater than 18 then we can set the adult, otherwise we can say it's a minor. Okay, this thing we can, it's a hectic in the sense it's a if else condition. You can see that 3 or 4 line. Okay, so we need to use here ternary operator. Okay, for the ternary operator, so I will write that ternary operator now. Okay, suppose we need to return the string values in the sense like this. Okay, so if I want to return the string, so then okay, then result, then here we need to add that condition. If age is greater than equal to 18, then we need to add the question mark, because of it, like it's checking if age is greater than equal to 18, then we need to directly set as the adult. Okay, and the colon, so we need to set as a minor.
हे सिंबल पण ठेवायचं पाहिजे.
The minor. Okay, the same thing, just we are using the ternary operator. Okay,
तर कंडिशन लिहायचं आणि कंडिशन 1 कंडिशन 2 लिहायचं.
can you mute
येते तर हे येते असं समजायचं.
I'm audible?
ते सर माहित आहे.
I'm audible?
If म्हणजे if.
Pritam, can you mute your? Okay. So these are the things we can set the out operator. So now we need to see the like the expressions regarding. Okay, so expressions expressions. Okay, so basically we need to know like what is the expressions. Okay, so basically the expressions is a combination of variable, constants, operators and functions that are evaluated to produce the value. And also the expressions is used in Java to perform the operations within the statement only. Okay, like for such as we can say that performing the calculation, or if we want to make the comparison, so that thing also we can use the expressions. Okay, for example I can say the expression I can write one. Okay, expression, first one I will simple arithmetic I will write, arithmetic in the sense plus. Okay, and the sum we can say the sum equal to 5 plus 3. Okay, here the expression is 5 plus 3 is evaluated, and the result is 8 is assigned to the variable sum. Okay, here we can say this 5 plus 3 as the expression is evaluated. Okay, and the result is assigned to the variable sum. Okay, suppose if we want that relational expression like relation in the sense comparison, so then I will write the example. So this is for the simple arithmetic. Okay, and I will add that relational comparison, we can say comparison expression. So here comparison expression in the sense, so we need to use the boolean data types. Okay, so we need to return like true or false. Okay, so the boolean data types, and I will add the name. So I will check, like suppose I will check that 5 is greater than 3. Okay, so I will name as a 5 greater is the variable name, and here will add that 5 is, sorry what happened, okay 5 is greater than 3. So here the is greater will be the true. So this is called, we can say, the expression here, the comparison expression. Okay, so next thing we can say like the logical expression. Logical Okay, so here also we need to return the true or false. Okay, but the thing is we need to add some logic thing like and some like or something like that actually. Okay, so I will add the boolean data type and name, like the variable name is the result. Okay, so here there is a two expression I will write. There is a one, it's a 5 greater than 3, 5 greater than 3, and okay, 5 greater than 3 and 10 is less than 20. 10 is less than 20. Okay, so here the 5 is greater than 3 is a true, and here 10 is less than 20, it's a true. If it is both are true, then result will be the true. Okay, suppose if it is the like or in the sense like 1 minute, or in the sense 1 minute what? If it is or, so I can, okay, here the 5 is less than 3, it's a false, and here 10 is less than 20, it's a true. So that or it will take the true only. Okay, either this one or this one, but it will take the positive only. Okay, and next thing, ternary expression, the same thing what I explained in the like previous thing. Okay, so the thing like so we need to know, so how do the operator and expression work together. So we have learned the expressions and operator, but we need to know like how the expression, like how do the operators and the expressions work together. Okay, the basically the operators and expression work the hand in hand, we can say, to perform the operation like return the results. Okay, and operators basically it's a modify the data, while expression group the operator, the value together to form the complete operation. The operator basically it's a modify the data, and while expression group, the expression is a group the operators and value together to form the complete operation, we can say. We will take one example also, not a problem. Okay, in Java an expression can consist of value, variable, operators and function calls. Okay, and the operators the acts on the value and variable within the expression to calculate the final result. Okay, here's a very important actually, enter ask like what's the difference between operator and expression. Okay, just you need to like explain regarding that expression can consist the value, variable, operators and function calls, and operator acts like acts on the value and variable within the expression and to calculate the final result. Okay, for that thing we can write one example. Here operator and expressions. Okay, so here I will take one x equal to 5 plus 3 and into 2. Okay, so here the 5 plus 3 is an expression that evaluate to the 8. Okay, then like the 8 into the 2. Okay, this 8 into the 2 is another expression that evaluate to the 16. Okay, and that final result is assigned to the variable x. Okay, here the like the operators and expression work together like this only. Okay, so basically there is a question. Okay, so why are the operators and expressions are very important? Okay, and I will say suppose if it is a mathematical calculation, the operators help you to perform the mathematical operations such as the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and they allow you to manipulate the numerical data in your program. Okay, and next thing, like making the decision also, the decision in the sense the logical relational operators are used basically compare the value and make the decision in your program, we can say. For example, you can check if the condition is true or false, which helps the control the flow of your program. Like you can use the if else condition, like if else statement, we can say. Okay, and we can third thing we can say it's a efficient code. Okay, understand the how operator and expressions work allow you to the write more efficiently readable and readable code, we can say. And with the right operator and well formed expression, you can avoid the some redundancy and make your code easier to understand and maintain to other people. That's the main thing here. Okay, yeah, like for the real time example for the operator and expression, uh, let's say you are creating the simple program to check if the someone qualify for a discounted store based on their age and the total amount of their purchase. Okay, for real time example I will code actually. Okay, suppose here we can say int age equal to 25. The statement is the simple program to check if the someone qualify for discount at store based on their age and the total amount of their purchase. Okay, so here age is the 25. And we can add the purchase amount, so we need to add that in double data type purchase amount. The purchase amount I can say it's around on 150. And here we need to check. Okay, like if the here we need to check the if age is greater than 18. Okay, and purchase amount is greater than 100, so then the discount will be qualify for the discount, we can say. So how do we write? Okay, so we can use that boolean data types. Okay, we need to check the qualifies for the discount. Okay, qualifies for discount. Okay, suppose the age is greater than 18. Okay, and the purchase amount is greater than 100. And purchase amount is greater than 100. So then, okay, if the both expressions are true, then only the person will qualify for the discount, we can say. We can say qualify for the discount. Okay, can say eligible for discount. Need to run the code. Okay, here the eligible for the discount true. Suppose the age is below 18, suppose if it is 15, so here you can see the eligible discount for false. Okay, this is a real-time example just for the operators and expressions. Okay, and the next thing, so we need to start about that control statement. Okay, if, switch and loops we can say. So now need to start about control statements. Control statement in the sense is control statement. Okay, statements. For example, I will add those things: if and switch and loops. These are the control statements. Okay, we we can start for the start from the if statement. Okay, basically the if statement is used to execute the block of code the only if specified condition is true. If the condition is false, the code inside the if block is a skipped only. Okay, I will write those things actually. Yeah, if statement, if if statement. Okay, statement. Okay, the if statement, if the if the statement is used to execute a block of code only if the specified condition is true. If the condition is false, the code inside the if block is skipped. Okay, for I'll write that syntax: if this condition, okay, then we need to, this is the block we can say. In the curly bracket, this in the curly bracket we can say it's a block. Okay, if the the condition is true, so condition is true, it will throw the output, throw the true output from the first block. If it is false, the first block will be the skip. Okay, for example, I will take one scenario. Okay, the student need to check whether they have passed or failed based on their marks. Okay, for that reason I will take one example. Okay, we need to check the student check if student passes or not. Okay, in the code wise we'll check the code wise we'll check. Okay, the int marks is 80. Int marks is 80. Okay, actually yeah, if int marks is 80, suppose if we need to add the condition. Okay, condition is marks is greater than 40.
The class is ending in 1 minute, sir.
Okay, we'll complete condition, if else condition, then we'll wrap the session. Okay, the here here our condition is the mass is greater than 40. So here we need to console the things like the system dot out dot println. Here the student will be the pass. The student has passed, we can say. Student has passed. So here, okay, suppose there is a one more thing is that else condition. Okay, suppose the else in the sense the statement runs the block of code if the condition in the if statement is false. Okay, the else statement that runs the block of code if the condition in the if statement is false. Suppose I will add the example, okay, for if else condition, okay. So here only we can do the thing actually. Suppose here the int marks is 80, okay. The person, the marks is 80. Here the if marks is greater than 40, the student has passed, okay. Else we can say student has failed. Student has failed, okay. So you can see the output, okay. Student has passed. Suppose if it is marks has less than 40, okay, the else statement will give the output like student has failed. So this is the main thing about the if else. And okay, and we have the hierarchy level if else condition, okay. The hierarchy level in the sense, suppose if like we can add, suppose you can see here the marks is greater than 40, so here we need to check the marks is greater than 80, so that student is a distinction we can say, okay. So that so here for that thing we need to add the condition else if, okay. The else if suppose the marks is greater than 85, so then here the student has distinction we can say, okay. In the else part we need to return the student has failed by default, failed, okay. So we need to run here, the output will be student has failed. So now we need to check the marks is 95, so then it will give the student has distinction, not, okay. 1 minute, something, oh, and okay, if else condition greater than, okay. So we need to add the different condition. We can the marks is okay. So here we can add like marks is greater than equal to 85, then we can set up the grade as the A, okay. If the marks as the 65 greater than 65, then the grade it will be the B, okay. And but the else part, suppose if it is the less than 40, like less than 60, we can say it's a grade C. So here we'll get output like grade A, okay. The person is greater than, the marks is greater than 85, for that reason, so here the output will be the grade A, okay. So remaining thing we can see the tomorrow only, okay. 1 minute, something I missed something, okay. 1 minute, something he, okay. I will give you the 20 just basic problems, okay. I will send in a group